Good morning, dear children. Welcome to your maths class. I hope you all are fine. Children, we have done some questions of brain teasers on Tuesday, and today we will do rest of the questions which are left in this brain teasers exercise. Here is question number 5. Find the sum. As it is written the word sum, it means we are going to add these time durations. A part is 3 hours 15 minutes and 5 hours 20 minutes. In this you have to simply add these hours and minutes and these hours and minutes. Same in the B part, 6 hours 47 minutes and 45 minutes. A part is for your homework. B part we are doing in the class. So pay attention here only. Here you have to add 6 hours 45 minutes and 47 minutes. So first of all we'll write here hours, here minutes. Now 6:45 here, then in the minutes we have 47, but here you can see there is no number for hours. It means here we'll write 0. Now we have to do the addition, so we will add it 12, then 1 carry here, 9, then 6. Now here after doing the addition we are getting 6 hours 92 minutes. As I have told you that this number should not be 60 or greater than 60. So what we will do here, we will subtract 60 from here, and 60 minutes we are subtracting means we are subtracting 1 hour from these minutes. अब ये 1 hour जो यहाँ से हमने लेस किए हैं वो हमें यहाँ ऐड करने हैं. So here we will write 6 plus 1, 7. Now for hours we have 7 and for minutes we have 32. So finally the answer is 7 hours 32 minutes. Question number 6. Find the difference between. As we have already done, the difference between means subtraction we have to do. Here the A part is 6 hours 40 minutes and 5 hours 5 minutes. First of all you have to compare that which one is greater. As you can see here 6 hours, here 5 hours. It means 6 hours 40 minutes is greater than 5 hours 5 minutes. So we'll simply subtract these 5 hours 5 minutes from 6 hours 40 minutes. B part 3 hours 47 minutes and 55 minutes. In the same way A part you will do yourself. It is very simple. Now we'll do the B part in the class. So pay attention here only. 3 hours 47 minutes and 55 minutes. As the question is find the difference. So first of all we'll write 3 hours 47 minutes minus 55 minutes means we will compare and we will check which one is greater. As you can see 3 hours written here and there is no number for hours. It means this complete time duration is more than this one. Now we'll do the subtraction. We'll write here hours, then we'll write here minutes. Now 3 hours 47 minutes, then here we will write 55 minutes. Again there is no number for hours, so we'll write 0 here. Now we have to do the subtraction, so we'll write this. Now for doing the subtraction we have to see the minutes. Here it is 47, here it is 55. Can we do the subtraction? No, because 47 minutes are less than 55 minutes. So what we will do, we will borrow 1 hour from 3, and when 1 hour will shift here it will give 60 minutes to 47. So we will add 60 in 47 and we will subtract 1 from 3. So here we will write 3 minus 1. First of all we will subtract the number of hours, and then here we will add 47 plus 60. So it will become 107. So here the number of hours 2, the number of minutes 107. So in place of 3 hours and 47 minutes we will use 2 hours 107 minutes. So we will cancel this 3, will cancel this 47, we'll write here 2 and we will write here 107. Now we'll do the subtraction. because here the minutes are 107, the minutes are here 55, 107 is more than 55, so we can do the subtraction. So the answer is 2 hours 52 minutes. In this way you can do the addition and the subtraction. 7 and 8 question we have done earlier. Now question number 9. A TV was switched on at 7:30 pm and switched off at 11:45 pm. How long did it run? Time to switch on the TV, time to switch off the TV is given. We have to find here how long did it run, means the duration of the time when the TV is continuously on. This we have to find here. So as you can see, this is the story sum. So here we have to write the statement first and then we have to use the operation. TV switched on at, we'll write the time here. TV switched off at, we'll write the time here. Now TV run for, कितनी देर आपका TV run किया, कितनी देर TV आपका चला. That means we have to subtract the time when we have switched off the TV and the time when we have switched on the TV. We have to subtract both the timings. So here you can compare 11:45 is more than 7:30. It means we have to subtract 7:30 from 11:45. For this we will write hours, then here we'll write minutes. Now 11:45, then 7:30. We have to do the subtraction. Here we'll write 0. Now first of all we'll check the minutes. Here it is written 45, here it is written 30. We all know 45 is greater than 30, so we can simply do the subtraction. You can see the answer is 4 hours 15 minutes. Here we have done the borrowing, बट ये जो हमने बोरो किया है ये हमने आर्स में ही किया है. आर्स ने मिनट्स को कुछ नहीं दिया है, इसलिए यहाँ पर सिंपल बोरो हुआ जो हम ऑलरेडी सब्ट्रैक्शन में करते आए हैं. ओके, सो डोंट गेट कन्फ्यूज्ड हेयर. सो नाउ वी कंक्लूड द आंसर. TV run for 4 hours 15 minutes. Now the next one. Renu studied for 1 hour 25 minutes. If she stopped studying at 8:30 pm, when did she start studying? Time duration is given, that for how long she had done her studies, then the time when she had stopped studying, and we have to find the time when she started studying. Means here we have to find the time 1 hour 25 minutes before 8:30 pm. It means we have to do the subtraction. So first of all we'll write the statement. Study stopped at, we'll write the time 8:30 pm. Duration of study means how many hours, how many minutes she has devoted for studies, that is 1 hour 25 minutes. We have to find study started at, कि उसने पढ़ना कब शुरू किया था. So what we will do, we will subtract. For the subtraction we will see the minutes. 30 minutes, 25 minutes. 30 minutes is more than 25. It means we can do here the simple subtraction. Now 0 minus 5 we have to borrow, but here we are borrowing from the number 3 which is already in the minutes. ठीक है, यहाँ पे r से कुछ borrow नहीं किया जा रहा है, इसलिए हम simple subtraction करेंगे. So it will become 2 now. 5, 2 minus 2 0, 8 minus 1 is 7. Always remember, when we take something from hours, then we have to do that whole calculation. Minus 1 from hours, adding 16 minutes. If we are taking any number which is in the minutes only, minutes में ही borrow हो रहा है सब कुछ, then no need to do that long process. It is to be done when we are borrowing from hours only. Fine, children? As you can see, it is the time given in PM, and we have to find the time 1 hour 25 minutes before this 8:30 pm. So when we will calculate, we will get the time 7:05 pm. Now the last one, find the names of the famous personalities whose date of birth is 29 February. It means born on the special date, that is 29 February. This question you do yourself. Search the names and write any 2-3 names of the famous personalities. So my dear children, that's all for today. Bye, take care, have a nice day.